Hey, everyone, so this will be an unboxing here of an Apple certified refurbished from Apple themselves, Apple Watch Ultra 2. So this is the box comes in, but also comes in this shipping box, nice little brown box, similar to what their refurbished phones come in. So you get this nice white box here to say Apple Watch on it. The only difference between this one and a non-certified one would be this Apple certified refurbished up there. The back has all your needed data and stuff on it. I might show that stuff off, of course. And just like a brand new one, you get the paperwork. We get, that might be a little bit different. I'm not sure on that one. This is actually, actually feel that it's almost like a sticker. And then we have the band. Let's go ahead and open up the band first here. And note too, again, it's a brand new box. Is basically what this is. It even has the sticker here. Opening it on up, again, this is just like as if you bought a brand new one. I don't know if these bands are brand new or not. I don't think they are, but it looks brand new. Let's put it that way, if it isn't. So yeah, so looking at this band a bit closer here, this is of course the orange ocean band. I'm gonna guess this is actually a new band. It looks just like a brand new band. Getting to the watch itself, so this is of course not going to be new. So from what I can tell from their website, unlike their phones, they do not seem to really replace anything on here unless they need to. Like their phones give you a new battery and a new outer shell. It doesn't look like they do that on their watches, which is a little bit of a disappointment since you're still spending quite a bit of money on these. There is your charger, of course, your charger puck. But let's see how this one looks here. Hopefully it'll look really good. Now, maybe if they have to replace it, you know, if it's all scratched up when they get it, maybe they do. But there's no mention of replacing the outer shell or the battery on here. So besides from some smudges, get a little bit more light on here. Mine looks new. I have a tiny dent. You're not gonna be able to see that right there. A little bit of a scratch thing. Well, it's almost not even noticeable unless you're actually doing what I'm doing right now, looking for it. A little bit of weirdness right here, but nothing, no like scratches or anything. It's just a weird mark, I guess. Again, not even really noticeable. The watch, the heart rate on here looks really good. So this almost looks like a brand new watch. I would give this thing like a 95% score. Alright, so then looking at my battery health, once I got this thing set up and now it is charging, my charge level was at a bit over 80% when I plugged it in. The battery health though is at 100%, which is awesome. So this is very close to buying a brand new one, but you are saving money. So from what I can tell, you get a brand new band, you get a brand new cable, you get the brand new box that this comes in, and mine has very little issues with the outside of it. So there's one tiny little mark on it, and that was basically it. So for saving over $100 on this watch, that is pretty awesome, and I would say I would recommend this. Of course, this is again Apple certified, so you do expect it to be very nice. Yeah, you all let me know what you think though. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.